Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap. For today, it's Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. So I haven't done one of these in a while, and I apologize. I do like to do them because it helps me kind of recap and also helps share any information if people are interested in trading what I do. I'm going to go over three trades in particularly. In particular, one of them is the TNA trade, which I trade a lot of the TNA and TQQ leveraged ETFs. So really quickly here, I sold some at the open from carryover shares from last night. I had created these double lines. You see these double lines on the 5-minute and the 2-minute. They're a pre-market level that I create. And it looks like there was rejection there with a long wick, so I wanted to sell. And then conversely, just kind of wait patiently and see where it kind of ends up. It was rejecting VWAP on the 2-minute. We saw the big dump. I had a level here at 86.85, so I bought here. Also reduced some risk in case it was going down more, so I could buy some cheaper. But it did curl up and eventually go up and had a nice ride for the rest of the day. As you can notice here, the key also was this rejection of the pre-market level. And then look at the volume here, pick up towards around 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So larger than the open, which is a little unusual. So that was kind of observation to keep an eye on when you're looking to make entries at key levels. So the other one I want to talk about is a new venture I'm kind of getting into is options trading, day trading, options trading. Particularly I day traded with QQQ today. Just want to show the underlining ETF right now. Same situation. We had double lines here, a little harder to see. It was kind of bouncing up on it, and then it bounced on the 200 and the 5-minute, curled back up and eventually dropped. So I saw that as weakness. So I did have an options trade, and I got what's called a put option. And I did a 365 put for a weekly option. Actually, this was I think they have 3 options each week on these weeklies because they're heavily traded. So here I'm going to show the screen. So like around the open, I did buy or go long, meaning I thought it was going to go farther down. My only issue was I bought at 25 cents per contract, and this is in sim, just practicing. My stop loss was too tight. As you can see, I stopped out like around 20 cents. So I gave myself 5 cents move, and I missed out from 25 cents per contract and went to $1.30. So that was a mistake on my part as I learned to maybe have a little wider stop loss when doing these option trades, but also have a stop loss, unlike how I trade ETFs regularly, where I kind of just let it do some dollar cost averaging and then dump out if I'm not feeling good and reduce some shares and buy some cheaper. So the other option trade I took was actually a call option as we started to curl back and QQQ started bottoming here. We saw some volume here towards here. So I did a 370 call option. Once again, this was a Friday expiration. Here I actually had a wider stop loss. I got in around 69 cents after we dumped here. So it's conversely going back up, and then my screen just vanished here for a second. There we go. And then I sold really quickly around 77 to 79 cents, which is interesting because underlining went up $1. QQQ went from like 365, 366, 367, around there, which is less than like a 1%, definitely less than 1%, 0.5% gain. But the value of the option went up like 12%, which is interesting, which is why I'm kind of interested in these option trades, whether as a hedge or as to, make it extra income and so forth. Anyway, still practicing. We'll see how it goes. That's my recap. Hope everyone had a good day. Have any questions? Just message me on Twitter and let's all learn together. Have a good night.